have 1. That's this thing here. Then we have 2. All this blue. 3. This cartilage here. 4 is inside of this. Let's open it. Oh, there we go. Okay. 4
Don't strain
is,
yourself.
Here's 4. And 4 on this side too. We have 5. What is? Oh, 5 is that right there. So we have 4, and 5 is across from it. One doesn't have it. Okay. And then B, which is this. C is that, the trachea. I'm just going to leave that to the side. And we have 6 and 7 behind the heart. 6, 7. Then we have 8. And then we have D. Then we have G. Oh, G is right there. It's there, all that. And then we have 34 and 35, which are inside here. Dang it, I closed it. No, it's not. Okay, here we go. Alright, it's on this side. Top one is 34, bottom is 35. There you go.
Good, and you got a workout in.